after we do a transaction. The simplest example I can give you is, if this costs me $1 and I sell it for $2, then I have $1 of gross profit. Now, I still have to take that dollar and pay other costs. I have to pay rent, I have to pay other fees that go along, and then my margin is now squeezing from that 50% that was left over until what my net margin becomes at the end of the day. With widgets or physical products, it's really that simple. It's just price minus cost of goods sold. And so cost of goods sold are gonna be all the costs that you have to incur specifically related to delivering the product. All you're trying to figure out is at the basic transaction, how much money you have left over. Now, with physical products, it's typically much simpler than with service-based businesses. But I'm gonna give you a service-based example so you can still understand it, because you need to. If I sell customers for $1,000 a month, and I have an employee who costs me $4,000 per month, and each employee can handle 10 customers. That means each employee handles $10,000 per month for 10 customers. So now all we have to do is say, what is our gross margin? We're gonna take the $10,000, we're gonna subtract $4,000 from it, and that gives us $6,000 per month gross profit, which you'll sometimes hear expressed as a percentage, which would be 60% gross margins. Both of these are the same thing. One is an absolute number, the other percentage. You seeing how $4,000 is my cost? This is how much I make. Subtract the two, that gives you the margin, and that gives you the percentage. Now remember, we figured out what our lifetime was, and we figured out how much we make per customer, or how many months they stayed in that instance. Now, we combine those two metrics to get the one lifetime gross profit. Earlier, we did the 10% churn example, and so let's say that these customers stay on average for 10 months. Because this is for 10 customers, we can divide this by 10, which gets us $600 per month per customer.